Hello all, welcome to PC Tips Pro. And now Squarespace is officially buying Google domains. What does this mean? So is that something like the pricing will change or will your domain stop working? What you need to do and what you shouldn't do? So there are many questions. I'll try to break down everything in today's video. Before getting into the video, if you guys haven't yet subscribed to the PC Tips Pro, please do subscribe. And now, let's get started. On June 15, 2023, Squarespace, the website building platform, has entered into a definitive asset purchase agreement with Google, where Squarespace will acquire the assets associated with Google Domains business. This will include over 10 million domain names. Here, the very important thing to understand is that this is not a definitive purchase. This is only an agreement to buy them. And this has to go to a regulatory process and they need to approve it and all. And now, how long can we accept this to be making? The transaction is accepted to close in the third quarter of 2023. Until then, nothing is going to change for you. You are still using Google domains as you have been before. You can still go and buy Google domains and everything stays the same almost. And now the date is also not definitive. The third quarter of 2023. It can be rolled out even later if there are some things that are needing to be sorted out with the regulatory process. And now comes the question, what does this mean for you as a customer? There is no immediate impact for you as a Google Domains customer. Nothing is going to change for you once it's going to be approved, the transaction will be done and you will automatically become a Squarespace customer. You don't need to go to register anything and nothing like that. You will automatically become their customer. Now, as both Squarespace and Google are saying that they'll work together to ensure this will be as seamless as possible. So, now the very important thing is that for people who are using Google Workspaces, if applicable, at time of transition associated Google Workplace services will be automatically managed by Squarespace. This can be subject to limited exceptions and Squarespace will automatically contact you directly if there is some problem. Now, what about pricing? This is very interesting because Squarespace says that it will honor all the existing Google domain customer with at least 12 months following the closing of transaction with the same renewal prices. So not from this date, it is not from this July 15, 2023, but if they officially go and sell it, which is going to be probably in Q3 of 2023, after that you will still have 12 months, at least 12 months of the same prices. Now you'll obviously ask yourself how it does affect my domain. Your domain registration and DNS delegation will not be affected by this migration, but after the purchase you might need to go to the Squarespace if you want to do anything with your domain. So, what do you need to do and what happens next? Well, there is actually no action you need to take at this time. Once they'll go and buy it, you will automatically become their customer. There is nothing that you can do about it. Now, the process will roll out gradually and is expected to take few months, but you don't need to worry that it's going to be a big change all of a sudden. It is going to be rolling up gradually. And also, you can subscribe to PC Tips Pro to know more updates about this. And this is all for today's video, guys. I hope you found this video useful to you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to PC Tips Pro. Thank you for watching.